And one thing I want to say about meditation that will really help you to be successful. You should treat your meditation like diarrhea. You know, people sometimes say, oh, I don't have time to meditate, I was late to work, or I'm so busy, I can't meditate. If you were very busy, but suddenly you got diarrhea, would you take the time to go to the bathroom? Of course you would. So that's the kind of priority you should put on meditation. Because your thoughts at your meditative level are going to change your whole life. I find that the most important time for me to meditate is in the morning. When I first get up, it's like that first 30 minutes of my day sort of sets the tone for the whole day. So immediately I like to get up and go into my level and visualize how I'd like to be with people that day, and how I'd like to interact, and how I'd like to feel, and to see the best in everything, and to be able to achieve what I want to achieve. And what it does is it kind of connects me up with my higher intelligence for the day. It gets me on track, and my entire day goes more smoothly. So I find that very first thing in the morning is most important. And I also find that right after lunch for me is a good time to go to level again, because I relax, I get my energy back, I program my long-term goals, and I get all focused again for my afternoon, so that I take much less time doing my work in the afternoon. I'm much more alert and energized, and make fewer mistakes, and have a wonderful afternoon. Then in the evening, sometimes I will go to level also, just to really reflect on my day, to correct any bad memories, and to release the stresses of the day. But it is so important just to do it regularly. It's like exercise. If you just pick up some weights and lift them maybe twice every year, you're not going to build muscles. If you pick them up and lift them a little bit each day, maybe you don't see the muscles right away, but after a while you start to notice that you're getting a change. And it's the same thing with going to level. You use it a little bit each day and you find your whole life beginning to change. You already know that. Now, have all my Mirror of the Mind projects worked? Absolutely not. But I have gotten so much more successful.
If you would like to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel below. Once again, my name is Stephen Dobos, and you can download a free centering exercise. The information is in the description box below.